Greetings everyone, my name is Ashish and today I'm here to talk about an IoT based accident prevention and tracking system for night drivers. We are using an eye blink monitoring system to prevent accident by detecting the drowsiness or fatigueness of the night drivers. So this is the designed entire embedded system that we have done. It works over our 12 volt DC SMPS power supply. Here we have an 8051 microcontroller, a 16x2 LCD display, a pressure sensor, a relay, an ADC, as well as a symbolic representation of a motor of a vehicle. In actual system, this would be the spark plug connection, but since we have to display a prototype, the speed control in a prototype, we are using a stepper motor. The eye blink would be monitored by using an IR sensor fitted over a goggle, whereas the head moment will be monitored by using this 3-axis accelerometer. The main concept is to monitor the eye blink and head moments and to determine the psychological sleep cycle state of the night drivers. So here we have the subject, the night drivers. Now I'm going to fit all the sensors over our night driver, and the expected output will be monitored over the system. The SIM we are using is SIM 900 GSM with GPRS enabled module, and a similar SIM would be fitted in one of the smartphones with IoT designed application. Now, the IR sensor would be mounted over the driver's or the subject's eye. The 3-axis accelerometer would be mounted over the subject's head. Now, the 12 volt SMPS power supply, which is DC, but since we are using an adapter to convert it from AC to DC, would be plugged into the microcontroller. And here the system starts. The welcome message will be shown on LCD with GSM active and initialized, and a text message would be sent over, and a text message would be sent to check the activity of the GSM module. And here the motor starts. As you can see, the motor is rotating. As our subject focuses over the system, the voltage is displayed. Here, it's initializing. Stop, pause.
Not working.
Now, as long as my night driver focuses over a path, voltage is shown here. The voltage 1 is 270 volt, but as his focus is gone, it shows LCD display shows sleeping. When the focus is retrieved back, voltage is shown as 274 volts, but when he closes his eyes, it shows sleeping. As long as the night driver focuses over the path, the voltage is displayed. As the other hand, the sleeping message will be displayed along with the vibrations will be felt over the IR sensor. To display the vibration, if I keep the entire IR sensor module with the vibrator module over a table, you can actually feel and block the sensor, you can actually feel the vibration. See, the vibration could be felt over here once the IR sensor has been blocked and an abnormal eye blink has been detected. The voice is actually the goggle getting hit over the table surface due to a vibrator. At the meantime, the speed will be controlled over this motor. The motor is fast, but the moment IR sensors detect, the speed becomes slow. In the worst cases, if a driver is in extreme state of fatigueness and there is a sleeping, along with an accident is detected, These are the pressure sensor. If it get a thrust of nearly 2 to 3 newtons, the accident occurred message will be shown over the system, as well as the motor would stop running. Hence, this system can be designed to manage the speed control, detect drowsiness, as well as the protection for vulnerable night drivers. Further, the application of IoT would be based over a smartphone where the entire information will be transmitted over a smart network for active prevention and information. This is Ashish Rai, and this system is an IoT based accident prevention system. Thank you.